Hello everybody, hello. It's me again, una sister, una friend, Lady Jill. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. Today topic now advice to many of our ladies. I hope so many people will learn for this one. You understand? So there is one of our lady will call me. So he say in this thing when you want to tell me so once to advise people, our ladies will be say they believe say to give man money na be the best. Na man the love woman, you understand? So they believe say if you they give man money, the man go can't love you, all those things, This lady, they say you can't date one guy. Yes, 12 they don't date for like 5 years, 5 to 6 years, you understand? So they don't date, 12 they don't date. Even people they call their husband and wife if you see them, but they never marry. But she get white man where they give her money, where now understand now. So she get white man where they give her money, but this guy and I be guy where everybody just know for 12 days, and they date each other, they marry each other, they go, So you know that because of his money, they make the guy just love him like that. You understand, my people? So okay, yeah, may listen to this topic when I want to talk about today, So I say 12 the day. So one day now the guy can say he want go Nigeria for a visit. You understand now? Then she can say okay, can see the one way she will do. You can see do for the guy, add money, join the guy money. The guy can go Nigeria. He can go marry. In London say na marry the guy want go marry. In the fee say na just normal. Now understand na normal visit now. Now the man tell him. So now people wey know what the guy want go do. When the guy they do marriage, now somebody can tell the woman say, where you they saying there? So you don't know what they happen. Say no. So you don't know say your man they marry for Niger. Now she say what? A guy. Now she said na lie. I say okay. If you doubt me, call them. May you just ask of them. May you just call like you want greet them. My brother now go even pick phone safe, not be even because he don't get time in the side party they dance. Now person where they do marriage. Then she can call. As she call my brother say, my brother they busy in the today na a traditional marriage now. So in they do marriage in just the dance for side party. So that the talk we want talk now, if it's possible. So later you go call them. You know say that the girl where they deal with for Europe. Now they call them. He just talk that one. I see maybe a normal call now where people they call, you understand now. So now the guy say, what? So what if people really tell him the truth? So after this guy don't use her for how many years? When I know now he don't vandalize and finish now. They can't go Nigeria, they can't go marry. You say if I talk something like this, one of my my video when I say we women, we suppose maybe they wise now. You understand? You suppose maybe they wise now. Because many men don't use our women well, don't use them finish, they'll come go Nigeria, they'll go marry. And when she they talk this thing, say listen to one of my video, and I make she say, okay, now she someone call her, say, I make she still talking at make she still advise people. You understand me? So really good the way that guy do na good thing or na bad thing. He said because after what she know, that's okay, what you can't do. He said now she comes off a pack her things. Now she can come up for the guy house. So it comes off. Thank God say she never leave her Oyibo. She can't go back to white man. So the guy friend we come meet the girl, come they console the girl, they tell her say she no worry. Say waiting your friend do you know say no good. From there, the guy come begin to toast the girl. He says she can't agree for the guy. So now the guy now he come marry later. He can't leave our Igbo later. He come marry the guy. You understand? So then this man he can't later come back one can like they do say nothing happen. No, the girl can tell and say already know everything, so you don't move on, you know. So in now I can go bring your own wife come for Niger. The wife now nurse. Can go bring her come. So ever since when you bring the wife now, the wife not great born for her. Now in the feel say this our sister now get hand inside. Get hand baby say his wife never take born. Whereas she says she no know. Now ask her, say you really get her this side. What do you? They say don't do anything. You only just cry to her God. You understand? He say not do anything. I say you sure? He said no, you not do anything. So now the guy now they find her. Make the guy now they beg her, make you forgive him. Say what he do. You know say he not do away. You know say after many years wait 12 the door day. So this guy thing not supposed to happen, but he got to do what he's supposed to do. You understand me? So this one, when she talk and I say, okay, this thing is still lesson to our ladies. Now advice. So make if you not the date man, not even let her even take reach like that. I don't feel talking for one of my video. 3 months, he supposed make the man he don't know whether he go marry you or not. Make una get respect for yourself. Not let man they use una again. If you date man, 3 months, you're supposed to know whether that guy, ask him, guy, we want marry or not. All those ones we just they vandalize me every day, they do this one, they do that. I beg. I not do all those ones. You want marry me? Not be say you after 5 years. Who does that? It's too much. 3 months. I will still talk him again. 3 months. If you even to maybe 6 months, ask him. No, don't they shame again. You don't be like saying that you the tell us to make him marry you. Ask him, guy, where this relationship they go, it they lead to anywhere. You understand? It they lead to anywhere. Where they go? You want to marry me? I be wife material to you. Just say I be the kind of girl where you want. He go tell you. If you don't marry you, say my dear, I don't want to marry you. I just tell you just I get wife. You understand me? Thank God say the relationship never evil tea. Maybe one guy they corner wait for evil love you, all because of you the date guy. Because if guy tells you that, you say no, I have a boyfriend because some women believe say that they with man for us, they don't marry him. Without he never pay your bride price. He never marry you, my dear. It's just they use you. He never marry you. Because if they ever ask some for outside, when your husband say they fine with full confidence, it they fine. Whereas he never even marry you. They say they fine. My dear, my people, make we learn from this one. So many way they happen. You understand me? And you will be say you get Oyibo. Oyibo, now what black get, now Oyibo get too. They with your white man. They with him. Oyibo na person like us. If you know say you get white man, they with him. No need for you to follow black. You understand? They with your white man. Now person, now human being, they been the same God we create when I create them. Not be say we will get to Oyibo because all those our boys they believe say they get you will get to Oyibo, then Oyibo not they sleep with you, and the truth Oyibo they sleep with you too. So now what Oyibo gets now he gets. You understand me? So take to Oyibo. What black? What they want to offer you? What they want to offer you? Don't be just to sleep with you. If you don't say you don't love Oyibo, leave him. Don't say you can't deal with Oyibo. You go they follow black too. It not good, my people. It not good. So the man and where they find and make it beg him now. And I believe saying that the law of karma I visit him so. So my people wanna learn from this one. I beg who see this video make it share them. Share them. I beg wanna help me share them so that make it see reach our women and may they still learn from it. This will not be fake news, oh now real. This one are real news, not be saying a fake news. So thank you everybody. Until I come your way next time. subscribe for my YouTube and continue to subscribe. And our hookup is still there. If you need a responsible man and you need a responsible woman, you can still contact Lady J. I'm here for you people. So thank you people, and God bless you. Bye.